Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file state taxes. Filing state taxes can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, it is quite manageable. We will walk through the essential steps, from understanding your obligations to successfully submitting your return. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you feel confident and prepared. Let's get started on making your state tax filing experience smooth and straightforward. Before you begin, gathering all your essential documents is crucial. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget records for potential deductions, like student loan interest or charitable contributions, and any applicable tax credits. Having these items organized beforehand will save you significant time and reduce stress during the filing process. Once your documents are ready, you have several options for filing your state return. Many people choose to file electronically through tax software or their state's online portal, which often offers quick processing and error checks. Alternatively, you can print and mail a paper return. For more intricate financial situations, consulting a qualified tax professional can provide valuable guidance and ensure accuracy. After successfully filing your state taxes, there are a few important follow-up steps. If you are expecting a refund, you can typically track its status online through your state's tax website. It is also wise to keep copies of all your submitted documents for at least 3 years. Should you receive any correspondence from the state tax department, be sure to review and respond to it promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.